Why are cats such bad storytellers on Halloween? Because they only have one tail. Get it? Tail? Okay, let's get into the nail art. Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Oh my goodness, has it been a while? It's been like 2 months or so. I'm so sorry about that. I feel like I say that a lot of times when I'm recording these voiceovers for my long form YouTube videos, but I mean it. I'm sorry. I am always editing videos to make into long form videos, but then I just never find the time to do the voiceovers or to do the finishing touches on the editing, and then I never post them. I have videos done from the summer that I wanted to post, and I didn't get around to it. And then of course I did start school again in August, so that's probably the main reason why I haven't posted a long form video since August. And although school is always going to be my #1 priority, especially because I am finally in my last year of school, like ever probably, that's going to be my main priority. But I do love making these videos, and of course I've been keeping up with making short form videos and photos, you know, like I'm still posting on my Instagram as often as I can. I'm posting on YouTube Shorts, TikTok as well, but I did want to try to do more long form videos just to share more of my process when doing these designs. And so yeah, I'm not really sure where I'm going with this explanation, just that I need to prioritize school first, of course, but when I have the chance, I do want to try to do these more, but I don't know. All that to say is that I'm happy to be here and I'm happy to be sharing a long form, or is this even long form? Like it's 6 minutes. But I'm happy to be sharing a Halloween themed nail art look. We are already like 30% into the video, so let me explain what I'm doing. So I started off this design having no idea what I wanted to do. I just wanted to swatch some of the new Holo Birthstone collection polishes. So I swatched Happily Ever Aqua, which is the March polish, and I thought it was absolutely beautiful because it is such a stunning polish. And let me just say real quick, thank you so much to Holo for sending me these polishes in PR. You can see on my other hand in this footage that I'm wearing like 2 of the other birthstone polishes. Sorry, I have so much trouble saying that when I'm doing voiceovers. Birthstone. Anyways, I looked up some inspiration online and I found a picture of someone who had done these little cats and jack-o'-lanterns on their nails, and I could not find who the artist was. I saw that they had a copyright, or like, what's the word? What is that thing I put on every one of my photos? A watermark. They had a watermark that said Yoko, but I could not find anything else to lead me to the artist. So credit to Yoko for this design. I was inspired to do a recreation / inspiration of it. And yeah, as you've been seeing for the past like 3 minutes now, I've just been painting these little kitties on my nails. I just did their noses, and at first when I did the nose on my middle finger, I did it upside down, and then I was like, wait, no, I want to do it like a little heart because cat noses are so adorable. And so I did go in and like change it, and it looks so cute. Look at that tiny little heart nose. I love it. Now I'm doing the little, I don't know really, I guess this would be like claws, because the way their paws are facing like in the picture, it's not going to be their bean toes, but we'll just say it's like claws or something. I don't know. It was really tiny and challenging to paint though. So I finished up with the claws or their paws or whatever, and then I just moved on to their eyes, and I wanted to give them green eyes because my boy, my cat Hayden, has green eyes and I think they're so cute, and I also like the contrast and the Halloweeny colors. So I wanted to talk really quickly about adopting animals and black cats during the holidays, if you don't mind. I talked about this in my Instagram reel and my caption for the post when I shared these nails on there, but you know, there's like a big thing, you know, like similar to Easter time when like people will get like bunnies as like gifts for their children and stuff. And sure, it's adorable and it's a cute little surprise, but adopting a pet is a huge responsibility. And you can't just adopt a pet because of the vibes of the season and then abandon them afterward when you don't feel like they match the vibes anymore, you know? I just want to remind you all of the importance of making smart, educated, and prepared decisions when thinking about adopting an animal. And also I want to emphasize the importance of adopting, not shopping, because shelters are so overrun with animals, and these animals are in need and they need loving homes. So it's really important to adopt an animal from a shelter rather than buying from these not good organizations in places like puppy mills or I guess cat mills. It's not a good thing to do, and there's so many animals in shelters who deserve loving homes and they need someone like you. So I just wanted to say my 2 cents on that. Just remember to try to make the best possible decisions for yourself and your potential future pets when considering adoption. You know, there's a huge financial obligation. You're gonna have to be able to pay for their food, their medical care, their toys, anything they need. It's a huge cost, but the reward is really worth it. You know, my cat is my everything, and he's a lot, but it's worth it to me. So I just wanted to remind you of that. And oh my goodness, I'm done with the nail art and it's complete. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and my little miniature PSA within it. And I hope you enjoyed seeing the nail art. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions in the comments, or if you have any suggestions. And here's a little photo of my cat Hayden when he was 2 years old and he was chilling in a trick-or-treat bucket. He was completely fine and he wasn't stuck in there, he was just having fun, so don't worry. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!